Hello and welcome to Beyond the Book. I am Mr. Corey, and today our theme is rainy weather. So, let me put this away. Okay, so today we're going to have our book, Puddle, that we're going to read, and also I'm going to show you a rain-themed craft activity that you can get in your virtual to-go pack. So if you go onto the Suffolk Public Library website, you should be able to find information about getting a virtual to-go pack for yourself, or the material list will be up there as well, so you can collect the supplies yourself. So let's start with our book, which is called Puddle by Yuen Yum. So, okay. I hate rainy days. There's nothing to do. Nothing. I can't go to the playground. I can't play soccer. Can't ride my bike. Don't be so grumpy. We can have fun at home. Do you want to draw? No, I don't want to draw. Never. Okay, I'll draw by myself then. Ta-da! It's an umbrella. That's my blue umbrella. Can you draw me holding it? There. But where are you? I don't want to go out all alone. Okay, I'll draw me next to you. And draw Billy too. That's a tricky one. I don't like drawing wet dog smell. Mom, please. Thanks, Mom. But there's no rain. Right. Why don't you draw the rain? Okay. I'm really good at this. Look. Oh no, it's pouring. I know, and it's very windy. Hold the umbrella really tight. Oh my, what's that? It's a puddle. No, 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 no. Splash. I said not to go in there. Now you're all wet, and I am too. Mom, it's just a picture. Don't get mad. Splash. Don't do that, Billy. Mom. Don't get mad. It's just a picture, you know. This is fun. Can we go for a real walk? Why not? We have raincoats, rain boots, and umbrellas. Splash. The end. All right. So that is our book for today. So the craft we're going to be making, it is sort of a 3D paper diorama. So you're going to have, in your pack, you're going to have some paper cutouts. You're going to have like your little rain cloud and thunder cloud. You're going to have your little kids in their raincoats. And then you're going to have your background picture. So first we're going to start coloring, and then after that we'll start attaching everything together. So I'm coloring in some raindrops, and then down here we have some puddles. Let's color them in blue. Purple storm clouds. Then how about we make this road down here bright orange? That way you can see where you're going. Right, and then for your background, so once you have, so I'm just going to leave the rest uncolored. You can color it in if you want to, but you're going to take this page, you're going to fold it in half like this. On the back side there's going to be 2 lines in the middle of the fold, and you're going to take some scissors and you're going to cut them just like that. Okay. So when you open it, you can grab the middle, pull it out, then you're going to fold it again. And now it'll stand up on its own. So we're going to set our background over here, and then let's color in our kids in the rain clouds. I'm going to make the rain clouds purple too. I'm gonna give this kid purple hair, and I'm gonna give this one purple boots. And a purple umbrella. And how about yellow raincoats? Oops, let's do yellow lightning bolt. And we'll give him blue shoes. Okay, and then you'll see on the pictures of the kids, there's some dotted lines around them. So you're going to take your scissors and cut along that dotted line. And that way we'll have like a more trimmed picture when we put it up there, and it won't be like a big square. Okay, and then the bottom tab beneath them, if you just fold that underneath them, like that, alright, then they're going to be able to stand up. So what we're going to do is glue them to the bottom over here. glue, I'm going to put some glue on the bottom tab. And then where should he go? Let's put him up here in the front. So we'll have him over here. And then we'll put her over here. And I didn't forget about the rain clouds, so we're going to glue them to our background up here. You can also use tape if you have that, either way. And if you don't want to put all the clouds and all the kids up there, you don't have to. You could put like one cloud and 2 kids, or 2 clouds, no kids, 2 kids, no clouds, which however you want to do it. So, all right, and then there's our picture, and then you can fold it down like that, and then it'll pop back up again. So yeah, so now we have our rainy day scene. All right, so thanks for joining me for today's craft and book. Be sure to check the rest of your Virtual Go pack for some other fun and exciting stuff, and also check our website for upcoming events as well, for more Beyond the Books and other cool programs. And have a good day. Bye.